Welcome back, guys. Jumping straight into the video, I'm doing a get ready with me today, which it will not take up much time because it was kind of quick and simple. So I started off with this wig from RPGhair, and look at it, the waves are so gorgeous. So this is actually the pre-plucked 360 lace wig body wave Indian hair, Remy hair, that I've shown you guys in my previous hair video where I put it up in a ponytail. Yes, I'm back here with it, and I even show when I wanted it up before. Today I wanted to go ahead and straighten it out. This isn't something that I usually do with my wavy slash curly textures, just because I just really don't want to disturb the waves or the curls. But I was rather intrigued, and I've been loving this wig so much, and I said, you know what, I'm going out tonight and I really wanted to rock it like sleek, as in a sleek straight style, and I wanted to kind of like push it back and have that sleek look. So I proceeded to just, you know, I washed it, of course, from you see in the beginning clip, and I blow dried it and proceeded to flat ironing it, because this way I feel like it helps the hair to lay even flatter when you blow dry it and then you flat iron it, as opposed to just going straight in with flat ironing. So that's what I'm doing. I just took my time. I did not apply any products after washing at all. I don't usually do, only if it's curly textures that I'm working with. That's the only time I'll apply products, and it got it pretty straight. I really love that little bit of like, it is like it has this flowiness and softness that I really love. You know, I don't know if it's because it's a wavy hair, it just feels really soft and natural and nice. Like, I love the feeling. So after doing that, I pretty much applied it. I did not use a ball cap because I was just wearing it for the night, well, for short term, and I just took my blow dryer to help to let the edges dry quicker with the Got to Be freezing spray. I used the back of that rat tail comb to just help to press it in. This really helps melt the lace in. And I don't know, look at the lace. What lace? Tell me which lace, guys. Where is the lace? Find the lace, and when you find it, come and show me, please. Listen, I love a natural hairline, okay? I live for a natural hairline. Yeah, so I just applied a scarf around that, and to just further lay it while I started on my makeup. As you can see, I jumped into the brow portion. If you need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is always linked below. Please go ahead and check it out. It's very detailed. Yes, I know it might be 2019, but there are a lot of people who still, you know, is confused with the whole brow thing. So I have your back, guys. Don't worry, a tutorial is always in my description box for that, so check it out. I proceeded to just priming and, you know, the drill. This is really just simple makeup, but as you guys know, it's a get ready with me. I find these to be very fun. What I want to try to incorporate more though is my outfit, you know, like it was nighttime, so you know, I really love to work with natural lighting and daytime when it comes down to, you know, showing my outfits and stuff. But I mean, the outfit I wore for this get ready with me, it was in my previous try on haul, so you guys need to go ahead and check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys to check it out. All right, it's from Day's Boutique. You probably would have seen it from the thumbnail of this video, but I didn't actually get to like put it in the video, but you guys can definitely check it out. Check out my try on haul to see that. And if you want to, you know, order it, you can go ahead and check out Day's Boutique on Instagram, and they do have a website, so check out my try on haul, guys. So basically I was just balancing out the rest of my face right here. You know how, you know the drill already. No, guys, for all the new watchers or new supporters, no, that's right, I did not apply foundation. This has been my day one thing. It's nothing too serious. That's just me. I just can't deal with a bunch of products. I have nothing against foundation for myself. You know, if you're an OG Divinity, you'll know that I do try out foundations from time to time, like if I'm doing it for a video. But yeah, for a day-to-day application, I don't really. I did a bit of contouring here, and I used my Black Radiance contour kit for this. I haven't been contouring like that. Contouring, I don't know, it's just not something that is done that often anymore, for me at least. But you know, from time to time I'll do it, like, you know, in a very subtle way. So I spray my face just to let all the powder settle in even more, and you know, everything just look more skin-like and very melted. And yeah, I love that look. After doing this, I just apply my illuminator, which gives that luxurious look. It gives your skin this luxurious look, and I'm always living for this look, like always. All right, look at the hairline. I removed the scarf, yes. But yes, I jumped into my lippy, which I'm using from GRWM Cosmetics today. This one is Jemima. I was going to do glossy lips at first, but I applied this lippy and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a nice little mauve nude color. I loved it. I love it so much. I rocked it matte. Yes, it's a matte liquid lipstick. It stayed on the whole night. It did not crease on me, and I'll tell you a little special technique for that. I use my finger, as you see I'm doing here, and this is what helps to kind of just push that product into the creases of your lips, and that way everything settles in more and it's harder to kind of like crack up or crease up on you. So that's a little tip for when you're using liquid lipsticks, okay? So yeah, I really love this color. I'll put the link to this lipstick and where you can go ahead and shop this lipstick in my description box, so check it out. All right, yes. But yeah guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Check out my description box for all the details, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, bye.